Hi foodie, welcome to my EE Work Cook. Today we're gonna make Morocan food that they call it kefta. Let's start. Hi, welcome to my EE Work Cook. Tempatnya resep-resep makanan enak, unik, simple, serta viral. Bagi kalian yang bilang gak bisa masak, bohong banget. Mau tahu gimana masak simple? Tonton terus channel aku ya. Jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe, dan tentunya pencet lonceng. I have 2 pounds of ground beef. I have 6 eggs, 1 of onion chopped, garlic, spicy. It's about ground ginger, ground cumin, paprika, and salt. And then if you like spicy, you can add cayenne pepper. And I have parsley. And then for the sauce, I have tomato, about 800 grams. I have again chopped onion. For the spicy, I'm using ground cinnamon, paprika, turmeric, coriander. That's it. So let's start. So for the mixed beef, you put some ginger, and then you add some chopped onion. You need to chop very gentle and small, and then some spicy. You can always check the ingredients for the composition, please. And I'm gonna put some cayenne pepper to get the spicy taste. And I put some parsley, fresh, or cilantro. Then I mix it, mix very well. You can use cloves or you just use your hand. After you mix all these spices together, so now you're gonna make it like a ball. You can make it with your hand like this. Very easy. Don't have to work hard for this, or you can use your scoop ice cream for that, but for me, I'm just gonna use measure with my hand. There is 2 ways to cook this kefta. You can put olive oil, and I like to fry the kefta first, and I put the spicy and put kefta again. Work like 2 times. But some people, they just put the spicy first, tomato I mean, and then they put kefta after. But I like it like that. So I'm gonna fry first. So when you fry the kefta, it gives me smell and gives me the flavor of the oil. So it's very good. My husband loves this kefta. So basically, some spices, I don't put some spices on my ingredients. May some Moroccan watch my video and give me comments. Some comments I saw from YouTube that they say we have to use Razel Hanuts, but I'm not, because it's very difficult to find here. So all this ingredient that I have is very basic, but don't have to worry, the taste is very good. Kids love it. You can eat with pasta too. After you fry like 10 minutes, you can turn it until the color change. Oh, smells so good. Now since everything is done, you can start putting the spicy. Start from the onion you fry. You don't have to use new oil. Then you're gonna add some garlic chopped. Leave a few minutes for it to make it like a soft. It's about 5 minutes. Now you can add parsley and cilantro. And then you're gonna add all the ingredients spicy. Powder. You stir again. And then after that, it smells so good. Now you add tomato with that. Don't wait too long, otherwise this all spicy will get dry and sticky. So you have to fry very good, 2-3 minutes, and then you add the tomato and you stir again to mix all the spices together. Then you leave it for 20 minutes to cook the tomato. Then you add the kofta inside. So since you boil, add the kofta. Then you cover it and you're gonna leave it about 30 to 40 minutes with low heat or medium heat. Always to check in the bottom because sometimes it's sticky. Then you have to make sure if you have a good pan with it, non-stick pan. Now 40 minutes passed, so after this I put the egg. What I do, I put on the ball, and from the ball I add it on top to the kofta because I don't want to mess stuff. Add on top again some parsley and cilantro. Then you cover again for 10 minutes to get the egg cooked. Okay, now our kofta is ready. Ta-da! Uh-oh, it's always like this. If I forgot to tell my husband don't eat food before I take a video or photo, it's always like this. See? This part is coming, so we're gonna try the food. I put some kofta, some sauce, and then I like to add some eggs with it. Oh, so good. The meatball is really soft. Oh, the egg. So beautiful, perfect. Oh, the taste is very wonderful. I never think about it. I never thought that I can cook Moroccan food. Best food. Love it. So thank you for watching my videos. See you next time. Bye.